Hello guys! My name is Rachel. Welcome to this video, and today I want to talk to you about this earbuds, Redmi Airdots 3 Pro. This earbuds, it's amazing, it's so good and so popular too. And if you want to know if this earbud is perfect for you, just come with me and watch this video. I want to talk to you about the sounds, about the microphone. I want to show the complete review. So come on with me. And if you want to have the same one, I will leave the link in the description. You just go there, it's AliExpress link, and you just go there and see. If you want to buy this one, it's amazing. Look at this color, it's so pretty. Look at this earbud, it's pretty and comfortable. So come on with me and I will show you everything about this earbuds. Redmi Airdots 3 Pro. Right now, the price is $52 in AliExpress website. So it can be different when you watch this video, but right now, when I record this video, it's $52. It's so good. Do you know why? Because these earbuds have noise cancellation. Do you know what is this? Is when you put the earbuds in your ear, you can activate the noise cancellation and you can't listen outside. It's like just mute the noise outside. So good. This earbud is perfect for take a nap, for, I don't know, just have your moments and don't listen outside. That's amazing, right? And the battery, it's really good. It's like 6-7 hours, but when you activate the noise cancellation can be a little less, like 5-6 hours, but still good. Can you imagine it? Just listen to your songs without voice outside, without noise. That's amazing. I think it's the best thing about these earbuds. It's pretty comfortable, small, and have noise cancellation. That's amazing. That's amazing, right? Welcome to the unboxing. That's the box. It's so pretty. It's Redmi Airdots 3 Pro. Everything here is in Chinese, so I don't know what to say. But so pretty, the box. That's the earbuds. So come on, open the box with me. Ta-da-da. Wow, that's the case, but I'll show you later. That's the box. Come on, see what I have inside this box. Whoa, have the cable and extras. I think that's so good because it's nice to change this if you want to share with someone or if you just want to change this. It's so good. The cable here for your charge. And here is the menu, probably. Oops. Oops, oops. Is the menu. Everything is in Chinese, but I have this so we can look at the pictures and maybe we can understand this. Or if you talk Chinese, that's amazing. And this is the case. Redmi, the case. This is the bottom for you connect the Bluetooth. That's the earbuds. It's so pretty. It's so small. That's the right one. So nice. And this one is the left one. It's so nice too. So pretty. For you connect these earbuds in your smartphone, you need Bluetooth. It's so good. You just open and find this one. These earbuds have 470 million pairs in the case and 35 million pairs in the earbuds. It's good, it's pretty, and now I will show you how these earbuds look like in your ear. It's so comfortable, it's so amazing. Are you ready for see how these earbuds look like in the ear? Come on, look this, it's so pretty, it's so cute, it's so nice for you to see. So this one is the right one, and this one is the left one. So I put this in my right ear, of course, and this one in my left ear. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's so small. It's so comfortable. And with the noise cancellation, it is better. You know, you just only enjoy your moment with your songs. You just can have your time without like interruption. It's amazing. It's so good. It's so pretty and small and comfortable, of course. This is the sounds test. I will show you how the sound is good or not. You can tell me, right? Now, I want to show you something super cool about these earbuds. Look here. You can see the battery. You can do something you want to do for make the sounds better. You can change. You can see what things you want active in your earbuds with your smartphone. And here is the noise cancellation. It's so good, right? It's so nice. And now I will show you the delay test with the game Pub. Now I will show you the sound test with a YouTube video. Hello guys, this is the microphone test. Look, the earbud is here, and now you can listen my voice in the earbud. So when you have like a call conversation or just want to record this audio, it's with this. That's the microphone, and that's the sound. It's good. It's nice. It's Redmi Airdots 3 Pro. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. If you want to buy these earbuds, just go to the description. I will leave the link in the description. It's AliExpress website. Right now it's $52 when I record this video, but can be different. So just go there and look and see if you wanted this one. It's so amazing. Don't forget, have the noise cancellation. That's perfect. The battery, it's so good. You can listen song for hours. That's amazing. That's a perfect earbud. So do you think this earbud can be perfect for you? Just have yours. So don't forget, subscribe in this channel for know more about others earbuds. Don't forget, give the like, that's helped me a lot. And comment, what do you think about this earbud? Is good or no? Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye!